Hey guys, this is Stephanie with East Regional Library. Welcome back to Halloween Snack Attack. This week's snack is Bloody Band-Aid cookies. The ingredients you'll need to make this snack are strawberry jelly, vanilla wafer cookies, and white icing. The tools you'll need are a butter knife, a spoon, a microwave safe bowl, and something to serve your cookies on. And that's how you make Bloody Band-Aid cookies. Serve with a box of Band-Aids for maximum grossness. Thanks for joining us. See you next week for our last Halloween Snack Attack video.